Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today we're trying Nathan's Coney Island Bagel Dogs and Nathan's Coney Island Pretzel Dogs. Both boxes weigh 16 ounces and cost $9.98. So let's go over the Nathan's famous Coney Island Bagel Dogs first. Nathan's famous Coney Island frozen beef bagel dogs are frozen and individually wrapped. Made with 100% premium beef, these fully cooked hot dogs are wrapped in bagel dough that's topped with sesame seeds, garlic, onions, poppy seeds, and caraway seeds for a true everything bagel taste. Bake these Coney Island hot dogs in an oven or microwave for delicious bagel hot dogs that heat up quickly for easy meal preparation. These Coney Island frozen bagel dogs are ideal for party appetizers, a convenient dinner on busy nights, or a quick snack after school. Keep the beef hot dogs frozen until ready to prepare. After 102 reviews, the Nathan's Bagel Dogs received 4.3 stars out of 5. Frank gave them 5 stars and said he absolutely loves these things. Here's a list of ingredients. There's 4 bagel dogs per box. Each bagel dog has 370 calories, 20 grams of total fat, 7 grams of saturated fat, 1 gram of trans fat, 30 milligrams of cholesterol, 630 milligrams of sodium, 36 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and 12 grams of protein. Now let's go over the Nathan's Coney Island Pretzel Dogs. Nathan's famous Coney Island frozen beef pretzel dogs are frozen and individually wrapped, allowing you to enjoy a quick snack in just minutes. Made with 100% beef, these fully cooked hot dogs are wrapped in soft, doughy pretzels for a tasty snack the whole family can enjoy. The savory flavors of the pretzel dough combine with the natural beef flavors of the Nathan's famous hot dogs for a delicious handheld treat. Each frozen beef pretzel dog contains 11 grams of protein. Bake the savory frozen snacks in the oven or microwave for delicious pretzel dogs that heat up quickly for easy meal preparation, making these pretzel dogs ideal for parties, busy night dinners, or a quick afternoon snack. Keep the pretzel dogs frozen until ready to prepare. Enjoy the taste of the original from the comfort of your own home. Out of 118 reviews, the Nathan's Coney Island Pretzel Dogs received 4.4 stars out of 5. Lady21 gave them 5 stars and said they were the best of both. Here's the list of ingredients. Again, there's 4 servings per box. Each serving has 350 calories, 18 grams of total fat, 7 grams of saturated fat, 1 gram of trans fat, 30 milligrams of cholesterol, 770 milligrams of sodium, 36 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, 5 grams of sugars, and 11 grams of protein. Here's the bagel dogs and the pretzel dogs right out of the box. And for you, the people, I'm going to cook 2 of each in the microwave and 2 in the oven. After microwaving the bagel dogs and the pretzel dogs, according to the directions on the package, it's time to give them a try. So we tried the pretzel dog first, and it certainly does not look anything like a pretzel. It actually just looks like a hot dog bun. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And it not only looked like a hot dog bun, it tasted just like a hot dog bun. Which definitely didn't make it a bad thing. Just don't call it a pretzel, call it a hot dog bun. But the one positive thing about it was the hot dog was tasty. Now it was time to try the bagel dog with everything seasoning. Visually, the top of it does look like an everything bagel. But underneath, it looked like a hot dog bun again. So once again, into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And once again, it tasted like a hot dog in a hot dog bun, but this time with everything bagel seasoning on it. Both the bagel dog and the pretzel dog in the microwave, the bagels didn't taste like bagels and the pretzels didn't taste like pretzels. But in both versions, the hot dog was tasty and moist. Now here's our bagel dogs and pretzel dogs after baking in the oven according to the directions on the package. And with the exception of the pretzel dog on the far right, they didn't look much different than the ones cooked in the microwave. Still looked like a hot dog bun, just a little more toasty. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. I had slightly higher hopes for the pretzel dog and the bagel dogs cooked in the oven, But so far, the pretzel dog wasn't much better than the one cooked in the microwave. Here's the final hope of these being any good. And again, the dough is nothing more than bread. I wouldn't get these again. I would simply go buy a pack of Nathan's hot dogs and a pack of hot dog buns and call it a day. Versus paying $10 for bagel dogs and pretzel dogs that simply taste like hot dogs and hot dog buns. Which is why both the bagel dogs and the pretzel dogs get a score of 3 out of 10. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.